Oh my God. This is crazy. Like it feels like there's so, I could keep going.
Yeah. But you don't want to.
No. This is definitely one of the best driving experiences I've had. Hands down. Man. Oh, that's so cool. Don't want my keys poking anything. Can I sit around?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's nice. That sounds so good. And so I can just push the DM and switch it to manual? Oh. What does it red line out at?
75.
Okay. Really smooth ride. But I'm used to taking this road like in like stiffer suspension cars. I get what you're saying now.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying now. Like it feels like there's so, I could keep going.
Yeah. But you don't want to.
No.
Like, I know, there's a breaking point.
Yeah. That's so weird. This is crazy.
Go for it, man.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. Oh my gosh. No way.
I love it.
That is crazy.
I love it.
This is hands down like one of the best driver's cars ever.
Yes.
Holy shit.
Now you know.
No way.
Now you know.
This is insane. I missed the exit.
Now we got red. We're gonna be in traffic. So.
Oh my gosh.
The next exit's gonna take a while.
This is insane.
Now, if we wanted to do the launch, I
Yeah.
would just take the shoulder.
Right now? Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
First gear?
So we're gonna put you in drive.
Okay.
So left foot on the brake, foot to the floor. Yep.
And just
point right off the brake and pull on.
oh my god! Oh my god! I can't breathe.
That's a 2.9 seconds, 0 to 60.
Oh my god.
You're gonna run a 10, 8.25 mile.
Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh.
Turn your head back.
Yeah.
See, I knew I put my hand in the seat rest. I'm like, oh, what's gonna happen?
Oh my god, my chest is in my heart's in my back right now. Oh. Oh my god. No way. There's just no way.
Big silver knob to the right once. Yep, that's it.
That's crazy. That's insane. This is a well-built car.
Oh yeah.
I love the shifts. They're just so crisp. Okay. Can we do launch control again?
So I'll press and hold this to the right.
There's no way, Pat. No. That's insane. That's insane. So
I forgot you
yeah,
gave me a drive.
I forgot too.
Just pressed it, yeah.
So my question for you is what is? So I felt this like feeling of, so like the pedals to the floor, and then there's like this little extra inch where it goes in more.
That's where you're demanding full power. You're telling a thing, give me
Okay.
And it'll recognize that. So it'll be like, oh, you want like emergency power.
Okay.
It'll figure itself at that point for doing that.
Okay.
Sometimes this gets stupid if we shift in and out of drive.
Uh-huh.
Or if we're in drive and we're using the paddle shifters, it won't upshift sometimes. So you gotta go in manual and go back into drive if you want to do that.
Okay.
Now it'll shift automatically. Oh, and the reason is we're in front of the track.
Oh.
Oh, like it wants to stay tacked up to like 4,000.
Yeah. Dude, this is amazing. And you just daily drive this. This is just your every day.
I drove to Richmond Sunday in the rain.
Yeah.
You know.
Easy drive.
Easy drive.
Wow. Smiles per gallon is definitely up there.
Yes.
For sure. This is insane. This is insane. And to think it gives you, in my opinion, it gives you the performance of like, it's not like I get the acceleration. I'm trying to think of like a car to compare it to, but I can't even think of anything.
Well, what have you driven that was like the highest performance car?
I drove Randy's Urus.
Yeah.
I drove John's 570.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It reminds me of the 570.
The performance on this is, with the JB4, they say is similar to the 720S.
Really?
Yeah, but of course that's got to be from a roll.
Okay.
You just don't have enough traction to hook up in this thing.
No.
And even the 720S, it's difficult.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is definitely one of the best driving experiences I've had. Hands down. I love it.
I'm glad to hear that.
Like, it really surprised me.
No, I'm glad to share the car with you. I knew that having people that I trust, drive the car and see what they think of it, because a lot of people don't know what they're getting into.
Mm-hmm.
There's certain preconceptions about the NSX, and knowing you, and you have a history of cars, you love cars, and you know the roads you're driving on, to be able to take this car through those same roads, and it's blowing you away. And I hear the expressions, I'm seeing the smiles. I know, and I can feel.
It's amazing. It is amazing.
It's cool.